Remedy number 1. Turmeric powder. Soak turmeric in water. Mix it and make a smooth paste. Add rice flour, if hair is thick. Apply the paste on your face. Let it dry for 15 minutes. Scrub the turmeric gently and rinse the warm water. Remedy number 2. Egg. Mix egg white with a tablespoon of cornstarch. Add sugar and beat the mixture. Apply the mixture on your face. Let it dry for 20 minutes. Peel off the mask and rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, repeat 2 to 3 times in a week. Remedy number 3. Lemon and honey. 2 tablespoons of honey and lemon. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar in this. Heat for few minutes and let it cool. Apply the solution on the face. Pull the hair in opposite direction using a waxing strip.